Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm here at Elliott Aviation. Today we're doing a tire change on the Phenom 300. For this maintenance event, we did both mains only, no nose tire. Typically you'll get about 200 cycles out of your mains in between tire changes. These ones were right about 177 and got new rubber on both. In the accessory shop, in addition to changing the tires, there are a few inspections that we will normally do. The bearings are cleared of their grease, inspected and then repacked, as well as a full clean of the wheelbase to verify that there are no abnormalities before the tire is mounted back on. Much like your car, having good tread on your aircraft is going to help you maneuver in wet conditions, as well as keep good maneuverability while on the ground, as well as doing added inspections to make sure that the wheel assembly is in good working order in between tire changes.